Have you ever wondered what makes Bavarian cream stand out among other dessert fillings? Today, we're diving deep into this French delicacy. Bavarian cream is a French dessert made of an egg-based cooked custard thickened with milk and gelatin, creating a light yet firm texture. It's perfect for layering in pastries or as a filling. Compared to Boston cream, Bavarian cream has a more solid texture because of the gelatin. It uses heavy and whipped creams to achieve this unique consistency. While Bavarian cream doesn't pipe smoothly due to its firmness, it can substitute for pastry cream in donuts and other pastries. Its unique texture offers a delightful alternative. Bavarian cream and Boston cream share a similar creamy and thick nature, making them equally yummy additions to pastries. Both are lightly sweetened but offer distinct textures. Unlike pastry cream, which is purely custard-based, Bavarian cream is lightened with whipped cream and set with gelatin. This makes it ideal for less sweet treats as well. In summary, Bavarian cream stands out due to its unique combination of custard and gelatin, creating a firm yet light texture that is perfect for various desserts. So there you have it, Bavarian cream offers a distinct flavor profile compared to other creams. What's your favorite way to enjoy this French dessert?